Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Martina. I am 27 years old. On this channel, I'm gonna share a lot of healthy, tasty and high protein recipes, also workout tips, healthy habits, everything what can provide you a more quality lifestyle. So if you like these topics and you wanna eat really tasty food, then don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I think that's it. Just let's jump into it and start with a really tasty and amazing recipe. Let's go.